Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by installing Visual Studio Code and verifying core tools, because configuration builds on them. Once installed, make sure Git and Node.js are on your path so extensions and terminals work reliably. Open your project folder now. Using the Open Folder command, keep settings local. Then enable auto-save or set up a workspace file so changes persist. These initial steps remove friction. They let you focus on editor behavior and extensions rather than fixing environment problems later. Once done with the basics, adjust core settings to match your workflow. Open Settings JSON and change editor. Tab size, format on save, and terminal. Integrated, shell. Install extensions like Prettier and ESLint to automate formatting and linting, and add language-specific packs for syntax and IntelliSense. Configure launch. JSON for debug targets and tasks. JSON for build steps because automating these saves time. Finally, set workspace settings so teammates share behavior. That reduces works on my machine problem. To finish, synchronize settings across machines using the built-in settings sync, or export your extensions list and key bindings for reuse. Test your setup. Run a full build, a debug session, and a lint pass to confirm behavior. Make sure workspace folders and launch targets are correct. If something goes wrong, check the output and extensions logs. Disabling then reinstalling a misbehaving extension fixes most issues. That single troubleshooting tip, read the logs, quickly points you to configuration mismatches or permission errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.